Good morning, Mom. We're the Group 6 and we're gonna talk about networking computer network. To start off, what is computer network? Computer network is a collection of interconnected devices such as computers, servers, routers, switches, and other networking equipment that are linked together to facilitate communication and the sharing of resources. These devices are connected using various wired or wireless technologies, allowing them to exchange data and information. The primary purpose of a computer network is to enable communication and data transfer between devices and users, regardless of their physical location. Networks can be classified based on their size, geographical coverage, and purpose. Here are some common types of computer networks. To establish network access, you need to do the following. First, have a network interface that connects to your network access point. 2. Run your network services. 3. Have access to a network broadcast device. Network broadcast devices falls into four services. The first one is hub. A hub is a basic networking device that operates at a physical layer 1 of the OSI, Open System Interconnection Model. It is essential a central connection point for multiple devices in a network. When a signal is received on one port, it is broadcasted to all other ports on the hub, regardless of whether the intended device is connected to those ports or not. Hubs are simple and inexpensive but have limitation in terms of performance and security. They are rarely used in modern networks. The second one, switch. A switch is more advanced networking device that operates at the data link layer 2 of the OSI model. It is provides it provides a more intelligent and efficient way of connecting devices within a network. A switch learns the MAC, media access control, addresses of connected devices and builds a table, known as MAC, address table or switching table, which maps MAC addresses to specific ports. This allows the switch to send data packets directly to the intended recipient. Instead of broadcasting them to all connected devices, switches enable better performance, improved security, and support for full duplex communication. Third one, router. A router is a networking device that operates at the network layer 3 of the OSI model. Its primary function is to connect multiple networks together and route data packets between them. Router use logical addressing, such as IP addresses, to identify devices and determine the optimal path for data transmission across different networks. They maintain routing tables to make decisions on how to forward packets based on network information. Routers also provides features like network addresses translation and firewall capabilities, enhancing network security and enabling access to the internet. Fourth, a gateway is a device or software that serve as an entrance or exit point between the two networks that use different protocols or have a different architectures. It acts as a translator, converting data between different formats or protocol to enable communication. Gateways are often used to connect a local network to external networks such as the internet. For example, a home router can serve as a gateway, providing access to the internet for devices within the home network. In summary, hubs and switches helps connect devices within a local network. Routers facilitate communication between the different networks, and gateways enable connectivity between networks that use different protocols or have different architectures. Each device plays a distinct role in ensuring efficient and secure data transmission in a network environment. TCP/IP four main layers. For the first one, Network Interface Layer, also known as Network Access Layer. This is the lowest layer of the TCP/IP model. It deals with the physical transmission of data over the network media and the protocols required for the specific network technology being used, such as Ethernet or Wi-Fi. It defines how data is framed, transmitted, and received at the network hardware level. Second one, Internet Layer, also known as Network Layer. The Internet Layer handles the addressing, routing, and packaging of data for transmission across the interconnected networks. Its primary protocol is the Internet Protocol, which assigns unique IP addresses to devices and enables the delivery of packets between different networks. The Internet Layer also includes other protocols like Internet Control Message Protocol, Internet Group Management Protocol, and Internet Protocol version 6. Third one, Transport Layer. The Transport Layer provides reliable end-to-end data delivery services between host systems. The primary protocols in this layer are the Transmission Control Protocol and the User Datagram Protocol. TCP ensures reliable, ordered, and error-check delivery of data by establishing connections, handling acknowledgement, and retransmitting lost packets if necessary. UDP, on the other hand, is a simpler connectionless protocol that offers faster but less reliable transmission without guarantees for data delivery or ordering. For the last one, application layer. The application layer is the topmost layer of the TCP/IP model. It encompasses the protocols and services that directly interact with user applications. It includes a wide range of protocols such as Transfer Protocol for web browsing, File Transfer Protocol for file transfer, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol for email transmission, and many others. These protocols define how applications communicate and exchange data over the network. It is important to note that the TCP/IP model is not an exact match to the OSI model, which has 7 layers. The TCP/IP model's layers are often referred to as a simplified or condensed version of the OSI model, combining functionalities across layers to suit the TCP/IP protocol suite. So here's the example of a application layer. First one is the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is the protocol used for transmitting web pages and other resources over the internet. It enables communication between web browsers and web servers. HTTP allows users to request and receive HTML documents, image, videos, and other content from websites. It follows a client-server model, where the client sends HTTP requests to the server and the server responds with the requested content. The second one is the File Transfer Protocol. FTP is a protocol used for transferring files between computers over a network. It provides a way to upload and download files to N-form FTP servers. FTP supports authentication for secure access and support various operations such as listing directories content, creating directories, renaming files, and deleting files. FTP can be used through dedicated FTP client software or through web browsers that support FTP functionality. Third one is a Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is an application layer protocol used for sending and receiving email messages between mail servers. It handles the transmission of email from the sender's email client to the recipient mail server, SFTP defines how email messages are structured, addressed, and delivered. It works in conjunction with other protocols like POP and IMAP messages, which are used by email clients to retrieve message from servers. Fourth one, Telnet. Telnet is an application layer protocol that enables remote terminal access to computers or network devices. It allows users to log in into a remote system and perform action as if they are as if they were directly connected to it. Telnet establishes a virtual terminal connection, providing a command line interface to the remote device. However, due to security vulnerabilities, Telnet is generally considered less secure than alternatives like Secure Shell and is less commonly used today. So, this is the example of protocol listed below are using in facilitating the use and management of TCP/IP networks. Domain Name System (DNS). DNS is a protocol that translates human readable domain names such as example.com into the corresponding IP addresses used by computers to locate resources on the internet. DNS serves as a distributed naming system that maps domain names to their associated IP addresses, enabling users to access websites, send emails, and perform various networks activities using easily remembered domain names. It plays a crucial role in functioning of the internet by providing a hierarchical and scalable mechanism for name resolution. Routing Information Protocol (RIP) is a dynamic routing protocol used by routers to exchange routing information and determine the best paths for forwarding IP packets within a network. RIP uses a distance vector algorithm considering the number of hops between the source of the destination to calculate the optimal route. It helps router builds and maintain their routing tables, allowing them to make informed decisions on how to transmit data across a network. RIP is a simple and widely used routing protocol, particularly in a small to medium-sized networks. Simple Network Management Protocol (SNMP) is a protocol used for managing and monitoring network devices and systems. It provides a standardized framework for collecting and organizing information about network devices, monitoring their performance, and managing their configuration remotely. SNMP allows network administrators to retrieve and modify variables on network devices called managed objects using a managed station. It facilitates tasks such as monitoring network traffic, managing device health, and configuring network devices. So these protocols are integral to the effective functioning and management of TCP/IP networks. DNS ensures the translation of domain names into IP addresses. RIP enables router to exchange routing information for efficient data transmission, and SNMP provides a means to monitor and manage network devices. Together, they contribute to the reliable and efficient operation of TCP/IP network.
Hi guys, ang next natin ay network commands. Ano nga bang network commands? Ang network commands ay ginagamit para i-manage at i-troubleshoot yung mga network related tasks sa mga computer o sa network devices. Una sa ating listahan ay ang ping command. Ito ay ginagamit upang suriin ang konektibidad sa pagitan ng dalawang network devices. Ang ping command ay nagpapadala ng mga packets ng data patungo sa destination at nagbabantay sa bilis ng pagbalik nito. Ito ay napakahalaga para malaman natin kung may connection tayo o kung may latency sa ating network. Ang next nating command ay trace route or trace path. Ang trace route ay para sa Windows, ang trace path naman ay para sa Linux. Ito rin ay ginagamit upang malaman ang ruta ng mga packets mula sa source patungo sa destination. Ang trace route o trace path command ay nagpapakita sa atin ng listahan ng mga routers o hubs na dinadaanan ng packets patungo sa kanilang destination. Ito ay nakapakahalaga sa pagsusuri ng network latency at routing issues. Next naman natin ay IP command. Ito ay isang pangunahing command na ginagamit sa Linux para sa pagkumpigura ng mga network interface at iba pang network settings. Sa pamamagitan ng IP command, maaari nating tignan ang mga network interface ng ating system, pati na rin ng kanilang mga IP address, subnet mask, at default gateways, at iba pang impormasyon. Ang IP command ay napakahalaga sa pagkumpigura ng mga network settings tulad ng pagset ng IP address, subnet mask, gateway, at iba pa. Maaari rin itong magamit para sa pag-create ng VLANs, pag-configure ng tunnel interfaces, and marami pang iba. Next na command naman natin ay netstats. Ito ay isang command na ginagamit sa Windows at Linux para tingnan ang mga aktibong network connections, mga listening ports, at iba pang kaugnayan na impormasyon. Ang netstats command ay nakapalaga sa pag-monitor at pag-troubleshoot ng network connection sa ating system. Ito ay nagbibigay sa atin ng impormasyon tungkol sa mga aktibidad at estado ng ating mga connection. Sa pamamagitan ng netstats command, mas magiging malawak ang ating kaalaman sa mga aktibong network connection at mga listening ports sa ating system. Ang next naman natin ay FTP o File Transfer Protocol. Ito ay isang protocol na ginagamit para sa paglipat ng mga files sa pagitan ng isang client at isang server sa isang network. Sa pamamagitan ng FTP, maaari nating i-upload o i-download ang mga file mula sa isang remote server gamit ang isang FTP client tulad ng FileZilla. Ang pag-build ng FTP client ng iyong operating system, maaari nating mag-access at pamahalaan ang mga file sa isang remote server. Ang FTP ay isang mahalagang tool para sa paglilipat ng mga files sa pagitan ng mga network devices. Ito ay madalas ginagamit sa web development para sa pag-upload ng pag-download ng mga files sa isang web server. Ang next naman nating command ay wget. Ito ay isang command line na tool na ginagamit para i-download ang mga file mula sa internet gamit ang HTTP, HTTPS at FTP protocols. Sa pamamagitan ng wget, maaari nating i-download ang mga file mula sa iba't ibang mga website at mga server sa isang mabilis at madaling paraan. Ang wget command ay mag-uumpisa sa pag-download ng file mula sa ibibigay na URL at itatago ito sa kasalukuyang directory. Ang wget ay mayroon ding ibang mga pagpipilian ng mga feature. Maaari tayong mag-set ng pag-download speed limit, mag-download ng mga file mula sa mga link sa isang webpage at iba pa. At ang last nating command ay SSH o Secure Shell. Ito ay isang cryptographic network protocol na ginagamit para sa secure na remote access at magpapatupad ng mga command sa ibang computer sa isang network. Sa pamamagitan ng SSH, maaari nating magkaroon ng secure at encrypted na connection sa ibang computer. Ito ay isang pangunahing tool para sa remote management, pag-access sa mga network devices at iba pang gawain sa loob ng isang network. Sa pamamagitan ng SSH, maaari tayo magkaroon ng remote access sa server, routers, switches, at iba pang network devices. Ito ay nagbibigay sa atin ng kakayahan na pamahalaan ang mga ito kahit tayo ay nasa malayo. Ang SSH ay gumagamit ng encryption para sa secure na pagpapadala ng mga command at data sa pagitan ng client at server. Ito ay nagbibigay protection laban sa mga potensyal na pag-atake at pagsingaw ng data.